Hello, my name is Charlotte. On this video, I will show you how to create a prevention maintenance report using Artintech ERP system. Currently, we are on the dashboard. From here, we will scroll down to our maintenance module. From here, we will click on maintenance. Then we will scroll down to preventive maintenance. From here, we will scroll over and click on new. And here we will add in our details. Now that I clicked on my serial number, you will notice that most things have been filled in. I will still need to add in my maintenance name. For maintenance name, I put in clean mixer. I will scroll down to intervals in days. The next time I would like it to be maintenance will be in 30 days. Estimate amount of time that it will take. Let's say it'll be 1 hour. Once I have added in my information, I will scroll down and click on checklist. This is where I would add in my checklist of duties. Now that I added in my information, I click save. And there you see, under the name, it says oil, and under the instructions, it tells you what to do. Now that I added in my examples, I will scroll over to work instructions. I will click there and add in my instructions. Now that I am done adding in my instructions, I will scroll down to attachment box. From there, you can click on new and add any attachments. For example, any pictures. I will leave it as it is. Next, you will go down to applicable standards and relative documents. You can click on new to add in any relevant documents. I will use this one as an example. Once you are done filling in all your requirements, you can scroll down and click Save. And that is how you create a preventative maintenance report using our maintenance module on Artintech ERP system. Thank you for watching, and please follow us for more.